Do you ever wake up in the middle of the night with painful leg cramps, or feel like your legs have lost their strength over the years? You're not alone. Millions of seniors suffer from leg cramps and muscle weakness, but the real cause might be something as simple as a vitamin deficiency. In today's video, we reveal the top 3 vitamins that can help stop leg cramps and restore your leg strength naturally after 60. Stay with us till the end, your legs will thank you. Section 1. Why leg cramps and weakness happen after 60. Visuals of an older man rubbing his calf in bed, wincing. As we age, our bodies go through major changes. Muscles shrink, blood flow slows down, and nerves become more sensitive. But one of the most overlooked reasons for leg cramps and weakness is nutritional deficiency, especially of key vitamins and minerals. Poor circulation, dehydration, medication side effects, loss of muscle mass, vitamin and mineral deficiencies. These all play a role, but here's the good news. By simply adding back the right vitamins, you can dramatically reduce cramps and regain strength in your legs, sometimes in just a few days. Section number 2. Vitamin number 1. Magnesium, the muscle relaxer. Footage of leafy greens, bananas, nuts, and supplements. Let's start with vitamin number 1. Magnesium, also known as the muscle relaxer mineral. Magnesium plays a key role in how your muscles contract and relax. Without enough magnesium, your muscles can get stuck in a cramp, especially at night. Did you know over 70% of adults over 60 are low in magnesium? It's often flushed out by blood pressure meds and diuretics. Symptoms of magnesium deficiency: frequent cramps, muscle twitches, restless legs, trouble sleeping. Best natural sources: spinach, bananas, almonds, black beans. But if you're not eating enough of these, a magnesium supplement can help, especially magnesium glycinate or magnesium citrate, which are easy on the stomach. Recommended dose for seniors: 300 to 400 mg per day. Always ask your doctor first. If your cramps happen at night, taking magnesium an hour before bed can help relax your muscles and give you a better night's sleep. Section number 3. Vitamin 2. Potassium, the cramp fighter. Clips of seniors drinking water, eating oranges, or taking potassium-rich foods. Vitamin number 2 is potassium, the cramp fighter. Potassium helps regulate the electrical signals in your muscles. Without enough potassium, muscles can spasm, contract uncontrollably, or even become weak. Why potassium drops in seniors? Sweating, diuretics for blood pressure, low fruit intake, kidney issues. Signs of potassium deficiency: muscle cramps, fatigue, irregular heartbeat, constipation. Best food sources: baked potatoes with skin, bananas, oranges, avocados, tomatoes, coconut water. Avoid high-sugar sports drinks instead. Drink natural coconut water to replenish potassium and stay hydrated. Recommended intake: 2,600 to 3,400 milligrams daily from food, not supplements. Potassium supplements can be dangerous in high doses. Adding potassium-rich foods daily can do wonders for your leg strength and help you say goodbye to sudden cramps, especially in the calves and thighs. Section number 4. Vitamin number 3. Vitamin D, the strength builder. Sunrise, older couple walking outdoors, vitamin D supplements. And now, vitamin number 3. Vitamin D, the strength builder. Vitamin D isn't just for bones, it also plays a huge role in muscle strength, coordination, and balance. Without it, your legs can become weak, shaky, and more prone to falls. Fact: over 50% of seniors are deficient in vitamin D, especially those who stay indoors or wear sunscreen. Benefits of vitamin D for seniors: strengthens muscles, supports bones, improves balance, reduces fall risk. Sources of vitamin D: 10 to 20 minutes of daily sunlight, salmon, tuna, sardines, egg yolks, fortified dairy or plant milk. Vitamin D3 supplements. Recommended dose for seniors: 800 to 2,000 IU per day. Check with your doctor if your legs feel weak or you're afraid of falling. Checking your vitamin D levels might be a game changer. Section number 5. How to combine these 3 for maximum benefit. A daily pill organizer: smoothie with banana and spinach. Seniors stretching and smiling. So now you know the top 3 vitamins. 1. Magnesium for muscle relaxation. 2. Potassium for nerve and muscle control. 3. Vitamin D for strength and stability. But how do you combine them for maximum effect? Here's a simple routine. Morning: banana smoothie with spinach, fortified plant-based milk, 10-minute walk in the sun. Lunch or dinner: baked potato with skin, steamed broccoli, grilled salmon. Evening: magnesium supplement before bed, light stretching for calves and thighs. And always stay hydrated. Dehydration makes cramps worse. Section number 6. When to see a doctor. Calm, serious tone. Senior speaking with a doctor. Most leg cramps and weakness can be improved with proper nutrition and hydration. But if your cramps are sudden, severe, or don't go away, talk to your doctor. They may want to check nerve function, circulation issues, medication side effects, vitamin B12 levels. Never ignore persistent leg pain, especially if it comes with numbness or swelling. Happy seniors walking with confidence, smiling with family. You don't have to live with painful cramps or weak legs. By giving your body the right vitamins, you can move freely, sleep better, and enjoy life without the fear of sudden pain. Magnesium, potassium, vitamin D. Start today. Your legs will feel the difference in just a few days. And don't forget, a strong body starts with smart nutrition. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more senior health tips, and share this with a loved one who needs it. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and keep moving forward.